Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to crochet a bead stitch. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press a bell icon for updated videos. So we will start with a foundation chain with a multiple of even number. So we will go for slip stitch and a foundation chain with a multiple of even number. You can crochet a blanket or scarf from this bead stitch. So according to that you can make a foundation chain. I'm just showing you the sample how to crochet. Complete the foundation chain as per the size of your project. After that we will go for row 1. In row 1 we will go for single crochet in each chain. Go through the second chain. Single crochet in each chain. Till the last chain we will go for single crochet. A single crochet in each chain till the last chain, this one. After row 1, now we will go for second row. In second row we will start with a chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, chain 3 and turn. After that we will crochet through the second stitch, not from the first stitch. We will go through the second stitch, yarn over, go through the second stitch, pull the yarn, go through the first 2 loops and then again 2 loops. This is a double crochet. Now we will go around the double crochet, yarn over and go in the space between 3 chain and double crochet, pull the yarn, go for again 2 times, yarn over, go around the double crochet and pull the yarn, yarn over, go around the double crochet and pull the yarn. Now we have a 7 loops on the hook. We will now first go through the only 6 loops. Now we have 2 loops on the hook. Now go through the 2 loops. This is how our bead stitch is crochet. Now we will skip 1 stitch and go for the next stitch. Again repeat the same. We will go in skipping the first stitch. In the next stitch double crochet. After double crochet, yarn over, go around the double crochet, pull the yarn and again repeat for 2 times. We have a 7 loops on the hook. Go through only 6 loops on the hook. Now go for 2 loops on the hook. This is a second bead. In this manner we will continue the same pattern. Skip 1 stitch, go for the next stitch. First we will go for double crochet, then yarn over, go around this double crochet, pull the yarn over, go around the, pull the yarn, and again yarn over and go around the double crochet and pull the yarn. Now we have 7 loops on the hook and go through the 6 loops on the hook, and now go for the 2 loops on the hook. In this manner we will crochet till the end of the chain. In the last stitch we will crochet, double crochet in the last stitch, yarn over, go through this last stitch, pull the yarn, go through the 2 loops and again then 2 loops. Now in row 3 we will go for first chain 1, then turn. In row 3 we will go for single crochet in each stitch. In first row we have go for single crochet in each stitch. In the similar manner in row 3 we will go for single crochet in each stitch. Go through the each stitch. In the last we have a chain 3, so go through the last 3rd chain and go for single crochet. Now in row 4, chain 3, turn, repeat the same stitches as the row 2nd, go through the 2nd stitch, double crochet in the 2nd stitch, go around the double crochet 3 times, then we have 7 loops on the hook, go through the 6 loops and then go through the 2 loops on the hook. Each bead should come in the same row, it should look straight. See, skip 1 stitch and in the same stitch as the downward bead. Continue the same stitches and then complete your project. I'm just showing you the sample. Now this is how a bead stitch look like. If you like my video, so please don't forget to like my video, share my video and subscribe my channel and press a bell icon. Bye.